Mandela's funeral, the gold gate and the silver gate align with at the same time, and what they're trying to do is open up portals. So they're having a funeral with everybody showing up, and basically negative energy that the silver gate allows them to come into our dimension here, and the gold gate is to allow one into heaven. And they're basically with energy going out, which is negative, or positive, it creates the same thing. You're going to have negative or positive energy coming in. So if they're satanical energies coming down here through their portals, then positive energy is also relieving. So that's just physics and quantum physics. The symbolism that they've been using is now more evident of what's going on, and they're definitely working with the stars and the alignment to open up these portals. They're using CERN and HARP to trigger these open portals. A lot more people are thinking the Antichrist may be Prince William. He'll be 33, and somewhere around, I think it was March, is his birthday, and a few years and all.